Hello everyone, I'm Chol. Today I will show you how to set up the Cacti. Cacti is a monitoring tool on CentOS 6.4. In this part, there are two parts. Part 1 will focus on the start of the Cacti with the 3 chapters. What is Cacti? Chapter 2, how to install Cacti. And Chapter 3, binarizing setup. In second video, I'll focus on let's use Cacti with one chapter how to use Cacti. Okay, chapter 1, what is Cacti? Cacti is the open source network monitoring and graphing tool written in PHP and MySQL. So Cacti's the functionality can be configured normally via the web interface. And the Cacti also use the RRD tool, round robin database tool engine, to store data and generate the graphics. So the Cacti is very excellent to create the graphics to show the network data and collect the theoretical data through the net SNMP. So if you want to use the Cacti, normally the devices must supply data using SNMP protocol. If you want to access or get more information, please visit this website. Two Cacti operation. Cacti has the 3 kinds of operations. First, data retrieval. Normally, data Cacti collect from the SNMP from the other devices such as routers, switches, servers, computers, and so on. After the collect data from this kind of the devices, normally Cacti use data storage RRD tools and data presentation. So Cacti has the built-in graphic the functions by RRD tools to deploy the customized graphing and the reports based on the time series data collected from SNMP the capable devices. So get the information data from using the SNMP and store this kind of the data to the RRD tool and present using graphics. Okay, chapter 2, how to install Cacti. First, if you want Cacti first, you have to install this kind of the package first. HTTP web server, database, PHP, SNMP, and RRD tool. And after that, we can install this package. So RRD, for the Cacti, there are 3 kinds of packages like this. If you don't have this one, just install like this Cacti, DLCS, and spine like this. And number 2, configuration on MySQL. First, please check the Cacti user etc password and etc group. And after that, we need to create a database for Cacti. After login to database, MySQL database, and create database Cacti. And after that, we will grant all privileges to this database to username Cacti and password. In my case, I will say to the Cacti and plus privileges. And number 3, Cacti database file. So please read this one, db.php. So database type in my case will be MySQL, then default and the Cacti database type and host name, username, password. And port number MySQL will be the 3306. Number 4, creating Cacti tables on MySQL. Normally Cacti supply the SQL. This file, using this file, we can create each the tables for Cacti on MySQL. Chapter 3, the finalizing setup. So first, Cacti access control. Normally Cacti supply the file for the Apache web server. So after open this file, please check your access control. And after that, the web server will start. And after that, number two, Cacti configuration one, the web interface. So in this case, you can use like this, localhost Cacti, or in my case, I will use the web domain www.jung.com and after that, Cacti. So here, you can start the installation. So click next, and please check the RLD2 PHP and finish. If you complete to installation of the Cacti, then you need to the login. So first, the username will be the admin and password admin also. But if you are successful to login with this user and password, you have to change your password by post. And if you save, then you will be success. Okay, let's try to configure Cacti. Okay, first, in my case, now I don't have the Cacti packages. So now I will install Cacti as Cacti Spine as well. Okay, now I'm successful to install all the Cacti packages. And the number two, user grab. So now I can find that here is Cacti as well in the group as well. Okay, now let's access the database to create the database. Show database. So in my case, I don't have. So create database Cacti. Okay, and after that, grant all Cacti to, in my case, username will be Cacti at localhost and the password as well, Cacti, same. Okay, now I'm successful to create database as well. Okay, then Cacti DB PHP. So here I have to change something. Okay, database type, the MySQL, default Cacti, hostname localhost, username here, my case, Cacti, and the password also Cacti, and the port number 3306, right? Okay, then complete. Okay, and okay, the tables DOC Cacti. Okay, so here normally Cacti supply this one. Okay, then let's create the tables MySQL and the password and database name Cacti and the SQL Cacti SQL password. Okay, then let's test. Let's check. So now here I select the database Cacti and they show tables. So here tables in Cacti. So we can find this kind of tables by the SQL text. Okay, then let's go to the HTTPD. So here let's open Cacti. So here, alias name will be the Cacti, but this alias point, this direct USR share Cacti. And in my case, here, access control, okay, allow from, in my case, okay, so in my case, I already add my network address as well. Okay, then let's start web server, restart. Okay, then let's open the browser. Let's start the browser and open the Cacti. So in my case here, in my case, jong.com Cacti. So here let's start the installation. Next first, and do install. And so here, please check your RLD2 binary path of PHP like this. So in my case, here especially the Cacti log file, var log Cacti. So I will change the log directory. So var log Cacti, Cacti.log. And please check your net SNMP, the button, and RL2 as well. Okay, finish. So here, user, I already told you, the username that as a default, the admin, and password as well, the login. But here I have to change the password as well. So in my case, username, the admin, and password, Cacti, and save. Okay, now I'm successful to configure the Cacti. In next video, I will show you how to create the device and the graph and how to use the template like this. So in the next video, I will show you this kind of the topics. Thanks for watching my video and see you next video.